Stifftec International is a leading provider specializing in the supply, installation, and servicing of boilers and electromechanical systems. With an unwavering commitment to quality and reliability, we offer high-quality boilers, including the Entropy boiler from Germany, Urjex boilers from India, and ASHRAE boilers from China, delivering efficient and dependable solutions for a wide range of industries. We also specialize in the installation of advanced dyeing machines, offering tailored solutions for the textile industry, along with industrial washing machines for large-scale cleaning operations. Our expertise extends to the installation of generators, ensuring reliable power solutions that meet the diverse energy needs of various sectors. Additionally, we are highly experienced in the installation of cooling towers and chiller plants, providing effective temperature control solutions for both industrial and commercial environments. Our team excels in the installation of ventilation systems, ensuring optimal airflow and air quality across a variety of industrial and commercial spaces. We also provide robust steel structural solutions, offering durable frameworks designed to ensure stability and safety in every project. As a leader in fire protection, we specialize in the installation of advanced fire sprinkler systems, guaranteeing the safety and security of industrial, commercial, and residential properties. Furthermore, we offer expert installation of CNG and LPG systems, delivering safe, efficient, and compliant solutions for fuel storage, distribution, and management. Our expertise extends to the installation of wastewater treatment plants, TWP, and effluent treatment plants, ETP, providing effective solutions for treating industrial wastewater in compliance with environmental standards. In addition, we provide high-quality insulation and sheet cladding services, ensuring superior energy efficiency, temperature control, and protection for industrial systems and equipment. With a comprehensive range of services and solutions, we are your trusted partner for all electromechanical needs.